Garlic is a popular ingredient in many recipes and is easy to grow at home. In this video, we will show you how to grow garlic in water, pots, or in your garden, and how deep to plant it. To start, you will need a garlic bulb. Break it apart into individual cloves but leaves papery skin intact. If you want to grow garlic in water, fill a jar with water and place the cloves in it. Make sure the bottom of the cloves is in contact with the water. Keep the jar in a warm and bright location like a window sill and change the water every few days. If you want to grow garlic in a pot, fill a pot with well drained soil. Plant the cloves about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Water the soil and keep it moist but not waterlogged. Place the pot in a sunny spot. If you want to grow garlic in your garden, choose a sunny spot with well drained soil. Plant the cloves about 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. Water the soil and keep it moist but not waterlogged. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Garlic will begin to sprout within a few weeks. Keep the soil or water moist and continue to provide sunlight. Once the sprouts are 6 to 8 inches tall, you can cut them back to encourage bulb formation. Garlic is ready to harvest when the leaves begin to yellow and wilt. Carefully dig up the bulb and dry them in a warm, dry place for several weeks. Growing garlic is a simple and rewarding experience. With just a little bit of effort, you can enjoy fresh garlic from your own garden or home. I am sure you will have all the information you need to start growing garlic at home using your preferred method. Whether you choose to grow garlic in water, pots, or in your garden, we hope this video will inspire you to get started and enjoy the fresh, delicious flavor of homegrown garlic. Thanks for watching.